Hello everybody, welcome to this series of Power BI. So in this session we are going to learn that how exactly we can use Power BI for data cleaning, and we will see that data cleaning over particular tables that we're gonna upload it with the help of get data option. Here first of all let's have a look over how exactly the interface of Power BI looks like. So here we can see that we have a report view where we can visualize or analyze the charts. Here we have the table view where we can see our tables once we do all the cleaning. And third one is the tab called as model view where we can see different tables and the relationship between those tables. So let's start with uploading the data set. So I click on get data and then I'll click on text CSV. So first table I'll take is product lookup. I'll click on product lookup and there you can see that load data or transform data. So if at all you have to modify or clean the data set, you always have to go where? You always have to click transform data. So as I want to clean data set, I'll just click on transform data. And now you can see here that one of my table named as product lookup is being uploaded into my Power Query Editor. So four important aspects. First one is Power Query Editor where we can clean our data set. Second one is your report view. Third one is your table view, and the fourth one is model view. This is what the whole Power BI is all about. This is what you have to look for in Power BI. That's it. So let's start with the data cleaning. As we have loaded and transformed that, so all the modifications we will do in accordance with the steps given in this questions. So let's see what questions are being given. So in product lookup table, so we have uploaded the product lookup table. It asks me to confirm that the column headers has been promoted and that all the data types are correct. So let's see whether all data types are correct or not. So here you can see that okay, so these are numbers, right? All the values here are numbers, and we can see that product key, if you'll see 123, so 123 is whole number, so that means that is correct, right? Similarly here we can see that it is indeed numbers, and even if I'll see and click here at left hand side, so you can see that yes, this is a whole number 123 123. Similarly, if you'll keep on seeing, you will find it out that table named as product cost and product price. Product price is and product cost is 1.2. So 1.2 is your decimal number, but indeed this is the cost. So it must be some price or it must be some currency. So you can see a dollar sign here. So I'll click over here so that I can convert this whole column into a currency, and you can see that it asks me that whether I want add a new step. So I'll click on add a new step, and you can see that now the product cost has been modified into what? Into that of currency, and even the data type has been changed here, right? And a particular step has been generated for that. Let's rename this step. Double click over here. If it is not showing, right click and then rename this step. So the step that we have created here is change to currency. Change to currency. So now you can see that if at all I don't want the change in the currency, I want the previous version of the product cost. So I'll simply do what? I'll simply click on cross, and you can see that again this product cost has become what? Decimal short. So in this way I can even undo my changes into my rows and columns, right? Into my columns. So here if again I'll just convert it to that of currency, so I'll click dollar, add new step, and I'll change this type to change to currency. Let's similarly convert this one, because this is what has been said, what it's also a price but it's showing in decimal number. So click this here. I'll again right click here, rename it as what, change to currency. Even I'll give what, I'll give the column name here. So column name is product price. I'll write pp, right? So in this way I can find it out that what changes I have done in this data cleaning part, right? So first thing is done, first part of the question is done. Now he's saying that product cost, product price are changed to currency and removed as got multiple formats from product price table. So yes, we have done, we have changed it to that of currency only. Now second thing, he is saying that add a new column to extract all the characters before dash. So let's go to which column, go to that of product SKU column. So here I am, product SKU column, and here he is saying that I only want the prefix of this product SKU. So that means what, I have to fetch these or extract this HL, right? So how to do that, how to extract it? Now here in the Power Query Editor you can see that we've got two options, transform and add column. So whenever you require a new column and the application of that function, for example extract is a function and we want to extract it and want a new column, then you will go for what, add column. If we only want to transform that particular column, all the modification in the particular column, then we will go for transform. Here the functions are, maximum the functions are repetitive and same. Only things being given here is what, that if you want to apply the function and create a new column, then you have to go for add column, else you have to go for transform if you want to modify in the same column. So I want a new column altogether because I want to create a column in which only I'll get the prefix HL, HL, SO, SO, HL. So this I want. So I'll simply do what, I'll simply click on add column, I'll go to extract, and then I'll extract text before delimiter. So what is my delimiter, dash is my delimiter. So if I'll click OK, so you can see at the last one column has been created. Now you can see that, and it is giving me what, all the prefixes. So let me first of all change this column name. So what column name it has asked me to provide, let's see in the question. It asked me to give its name as SKU type. So I'll simply copy this and I'll go to this, double click over this column and control V, enter. So now you can see that I have renamed the column. I can also give few information here, rename to column underscore SKU, right? Now what it asks me, another question, it asks me to go for second dash, not the first dash in the same column. So again I'll go to product SKU, and in that I'll only want till that of what, second dash, right? So I want a new column for that. So as I need a new column, I'll click on add column and then go for extract here, and let's use a range function now. So starting index is your 0 because it starts from 0th index. So this index is 0 and I want till that of character 7. So till that of character 7 it will give me till here for all, right? If I'll click on OK, so you can see nothing has been modified because I think I have done this activity on this. So let me remove that. So in this way I can remove the column also. First of all, let me click on that column, then go for add column, then go for extract range. The starting index is 0 and I want the character till that of 7th place. Now you can see, yes, now we've got the text range till here. Now again, I'll just simply write it SKU modified. So I've got a new column altogether. Here also I can reform these steps. Now let's see what exactly is another thing. Now it's saying that replace 0 in product style column with NA. Product style column. Let's go to product style column. And here you will find out 0 is there, right? So I have to replace, that means what? I have to replace within the same column, right? So I'll go to transform. And here I'll just try to find out where is my replace. So here you will find out replace values. So replace values 0 with that of NA. If I'll click OK, you can see that all the zeros has been modified to what? NA. As simple as that. As I wanted for the particular column, that's why I have done it transform. I haven't used add column here. Let's see what other questions are there. He's saying that close, and so I'll do that at the last, close and upload. He's saying that you modify the ranges. So he's saying that in that of product name column, replace red with the value called as S40, black with that of red with that of 42, black with that of 40, blue with that of 44, and this similar fashion simply replace the values. So what where I'll go for product name. So let's go for product name column. Product name. So here you can see. So here you can see that I'm getting red, black, ML. So first of all, I have to extract this, right? Extract this red, black, ML, blue, and then I have to provide the values. So how to extract? How to extract? So I need a new column altogether. So where I'll click on add column. I'll click product name, and then I'll go for extract text. After delimiter, what is my delimiter? Comma is my delimiter. Hit OK. At the last you will find it out what? All the color names. Now here I only need what? Size. So I'll replace this with that of the size. Now it has been given in the question that replace red color with the size of 42. So from here also I can replace, or I can do it from transform, because I want to replace it from where? From the particular column called as size. So here either you go for from here or replace, or you directly right click here, you will find out replace values. So replace red with that of 42. If I'll hit OK, you can see wherever the red are there, it has been replaced with that of 42. What else values are being given? Red with that of 42, black with that of 40. So let's replace black with that of 40. Here I'll put 40 as a value. Then what's being given? Blue with 44, blue with 44, that of 44. Similarly you put all the values here. Why? Because sizes will be in numbers. So similarly replace whatever values being mentioned here in this question, right? And here in question number 8, it has been asked that you change it to that of your hex code, right? Why? Because I want to change the categorical data into continuous data here. So this is what we have to do, right, for question number 8. So we will see those things in the next coming sessions, and we will see that what other data cleaning we can do with that. So now what you have to do, once all the cleaning part is being done, simply you have to do what? Simply go to that of home and close and apply. As soon as you'll do close and apply, it will reflect all the modifications into your table. So I'll click on close and apply, and once I'll do that, you can see that it's been uploaded. Now I can see a data model also, I can see a table also with all the modifications that I have done, and I can also the various charts also, so that we'll see in the coming sessions. But 2 sessions I'll take more for my data cleaning to be finished. Hopefully you thoroughly enjoyed this session. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.